Hello everyone, welcome you again in the live session. And this live session is based on website development template. Actually, why we select this template design, because mostly I feel like most of the student is facing some issues when we design a website template. Like whenever they go through the videos, they're watching the videos, they will have lots of template design and they'll get confused with that. Like they will be making that, but some part of it, it's not, they are unable to make that and they just leave it in between. And this problem I personally faced with my students, like when I give them the complex projects, they always feel like, okay, ma'am, it's fine, but we are not getting the concept well. So I find out the way of, designing a template in a very simple and easiest way. So how we can do that? I'll share my whiteboard with all of you. Here is my whiteboard and I will explain you like how you can able to design a website. So whenever you are talking about a website development, you will have three parts that you need to divide the design. Okay. The first part is the header part. This yellow line, I can say that this is the header part. The second part is the section part. And the third part that we have is the footer part. Okay. So what header, what footer, what section is? In header, you will see some of the headings, the main headings related to your websites. Like first of all, you can see your website name. I can select any other color here. So you can see your website name over here. Then you can see some headings like home, about information, contact information, search bar. Okay, these things you'll see. So when you click on home, then something is going to happen. When you click on about, then something is going to happen. So when you click on home, then some information is coming related to your website on the home page, right? Like suppose your website is an e-commerce website, or your website is any another website like related to giving information. So the home section will let you know like what your website indicates. If it is an e-commerce website, it will show you lots of options on the home page. It will show you one heading that these are some items we have. It will show you a paragraph. It will show you the picture. So the sections basically telling us the different things related to the particular headings. Okay. So this is the header part. This is the section part. Section means the content related to your website you have. And this is the footer part. Footer part is actually telling you the contact information. Okay, here you can mention your email address, your phone number, how anybody can connect with you. These things you can mention over here. Now what comes next? The next part that we have is we will start creating this website. Yes, of course. So I'm sharing my screen with all of you. And first of all, I will share a part of screen. This one. So this website, actually, we are going to create today. Here, I make a very basic template. It indicates my first website. Here, you can write down your website name. Because see, everyone has different website ideas. So I wrote the content just to, you can place your content at the particular position. Then I have the headings, home, about, gallery, contact. Basically, these are the anchor tags. Means if I click on home, something is going to happen. If I click on about, something is going to happen. So in HTML, we call them anchor tags, means the links. When we click on this, then something is going to happen, right? Then I have a heading. Then I have this horizontal line in the section. This is actually the section. This is the paragraph, and we have the photos over here to display, right? The content that related to the website. And this is my footer section. And in the footer section, I have the information about the website. So here I'm giving my website name, GoGlobalways Private Limited. Okay, you can give anything, any address that you want. Okay, now let's go to create the website. So I'm sharing my tab with all of you. The very first thing you all know, we are going to create a website, CodePen. So what you're going to write, you write codepen.io. When you write this and press enter, you will come directly to the page where you're going to design your website template. Okay. Now you'll click on start coding. When you come over here, this is the section where you can see what's going on. This is the section where you will be writing down your HTML, CSS part. Here, you know about the very basic structure of HTML. Actually, in CodePen, it's not mandatory to write basic structure, but make sure whenever you will be writing HTML, suppose you're using a code editor, that is Visual Studio Code. It's a genuine code editor. You can download it. There you can write, you have to write actually HTML structure. Okay, so I'm going to write just to know you the basic HTML. Then the second part that you have is head. Inside the head, you have title. And inside the title, I am going to write my first website. This will be my title. After the head, I'll have the section that's body. And inside the body, I will be writing down my tags. Now, what I'm going to write in the body. In the body, the first thing, like I explained you, I have a part that's header. I want to create a header. So I will write header. This is my starting tag. This is my ending tag. And this way only you will write. And if you think that how I'm writing, like I'm writing header greater than, and it comes like this. So you can write header greater than sign and tab key on your keyboard. You can press, you will have your starting and ending tag. Okay. So at place of header, inside the header, actually, I will make my heading 1. As you know, in HTML, we have lots of headings. We have headings 1 from 1 to 6. Okay, so here I will write my website name as my website. That's it. This will be my website name. You can take any name that you want. So as you can see to the right part of the screen, I have my heading. That's my website. Now I want to create the anchor tags here. So I will create the anchor tag. Here, as you can see, it's asking me for a link. I'm not giving any link right now. I'm just writing home. Then the next anchor tag, I will go to create. So I'll just paste it only. And the next section I'm going to write is about. The next, I'm going to write gallery. And the next, I'm going to write contact. So as you can see that we have 4 anchor tag, home, about, gallery, contact. Now you are thinking that I told you href, like anchor tag, are the links, and these are connected with something. Yes, of course. How? First, I can search about Wikipedia. I have the option here. I go to Wikipedia, and what I will do is I'll simply take this link. I will copy this link. I'll come over here and paste this link inside the href of my home anchor tag. Let's see what happens. If I click on home section here, I can see the information here, right? So with this, you can simply give the tags. Okay, like simply give the links to your anchor tag where you want to go. That's it. So I'm not giving any link here right now because I don't want anywhere to go. I'm just making a template, a basic template. Now my HTML section for header is done. I will come to the CSS section for my header part. Now for coming to the CSS section, first I will design my header. So whenever you will be writing down your CSS, you will directly give the name. Header means name of your component and the curly brackets. Then I want to give width of my header is 100%. So I will write this, and then you will put semicolon. Semicolon is important actually. Then you will write height, colon, 100 pixel. So the height I'm giving is 100 pixel. You can give any height, whatever you wish to take. Okay. Then I will write background color. Now the background color, the color always I give in the color code format. You can simply write HTML colors. When you write HTML colors, you will have the HTML color template. And here you can select any color of your website. So I want to select this color for my website. Okay. So when I click here, I will get the color code. Actually, here now you will also have the color codes. See here, HTML color codes. You will come to color codes so that you can find the color code. Okay, this time I will take some different color. So I'm taking this color and I will copy this hashtag code given here for the color. I'll copy this. I will come over here. I'll paste this and press the semicolon. As you all can see that I have a portion to the header, and it's colored like this way only. Now the next part that I'm going to write is, I'll come down and I will give the text alignment. So I'll write text align center. Now means the text that I want for my heading should be towards the center. Then I will write the position. So actually you have different type of positions like relative, absolute. So I'm giving relative position here and fixed position for my header. And here I will give top because I want my header to be top, and you'll give 0. So it will automatically towards the top. I'm not telling that top this much and this much. No, I'm just saying top. So as you can see, my header is arranged properly as it's given here. Okay. Now what next? The anchor text. This looks very, messy. Home, about, gallery, contact. It looks like that it's a complete word. I don't want that. I will call my anchor tag with A, and I'll place the curly brackets. Then I will write color. And color I'll select for my anchor tag is, okay, this is my color palette also. So I want some dark color. I will take this dark color for my anchor tags. So I'll just take this color code. I'll copy this color code. I'll come over here. I'll paste this color code and I'll do this. Okay. So this will be the color. Actually, this look really, different because it's coming like this. So let's make it some different color. Okay. Let's make it with dark yellow or this. Okay, let's make it this one. So I'll come over here. You can open the HTML color palette and you can change the color according to your choice. But it seems to be very okay. I will take final color as blue color. I did not copy the code for this. So wait, let me copy and let me paste it. Okay, this is great. Now, after giving the color, I will write display. And the display will be inline blocks. So these are actually the CSS properties. Okay, when you go to CSS properties or on the website, you can find that. So it should be inline. Now I will give the padding. So the padding I will give is 0 pixels. And then I will give the padding as 40 pixels. Now what 40 pixels is? 40 pixel is basically the distance between your home, about, gallery, contact section. Okay, so that's what it's coming like, the padding. Now the next section that we are going to do is the text decoration. So I'm going to write text decoration, and I will write none as a text decoration. Means I don't want that line to be there. So my CSS part is done. Now, after coming to the CSS part, I will come to the footer part. Okay, now this part is done, the header is done, and now the next thing that I will have to do with the section. Okay, so with the section, what I'm going to do is that I will give the tag, first of all, section. So I will write section, and now inside the section, I will give the heading that this is my heading. Okay, so I will simply write H1 tab, and I will write this is my heading. Okay, now I cannot see this heading over here. Why? Because it's upside. What I will do, I will write break command for this. Like I want to break these components. Break means it will make a space between the components. Okay, because I have two components. Now I have to create the break command because I have to make a particular height of that header. So what I will do, I'll just copy this, then I'll paste it, then I'll paste it, then I'll paste it. Let's see. I'll paste. Okay, I got my heading here. So you can try also by yourself, like how much heading you want, how much break commands you can give. So I will remove one break command because I don't want this. And I want this heading to be like to align as centered. So I'll simply give the command here, align center. Now you can see that my heading will be aligned center like this way. After this, I want to create one horizontal line here. So I will write HR and tab. So this horizontal line actually comes like this, but I want to give some things to this. Like I want to set the size of horizontal line for making my website effective and good. And I want only this much horizontal line as my heading is given. Okay, so what I will do for this is like I will set the size for horizontal line. Suppose I will set the size as 10, and yeah, okay, that's great. And then I will set the width. So the width I will give as 50%. Let's see. Okay, 50%. Yeah, absolutely fine. So this is absolutely like according to my website. And now the next part that I want is a paragraph. So for the paragraph, what I will do is I will write paragraph tag. I can write lorem, press enter. Oh, wait. Yeah, when you write lorem and press the tab key, it will automatically generate a paragraph for you so that you don't need to find out the content for your website if you are making any template. Okay, so you can simply write lorem, press enter, and you will have your content. And I need to align this content, so I will write align, and here I will write center. So the content aligned to be centered exactly like this way. Now, after aligning the content, means my paragraph is done. After the paragraph, I will be writing down my table tag because I want to create the pictures arranging in a particular table. Means this should be the table, okay? And I want to arrange the pictures in this table. Like table, what is table? Table is actually the combination of rows and columns. As I can see over here, that this is one row, this is row one, and inside the row there are the columns. So this is C1, this is C2, right? So how I can define the table tag, I will explain you. Like suppose here you will write table. Okay, so you will start your tag table from here, and you will end up your table when your table will end. So you will end your table here. Okay, now the row. Inside the table, you have to create row. So the row you can create with inside the table with the tag is TR. Like this is your TR, means this is your first TR that starts from here, and your first row will end here. Okay, so this is your TR. It means your T row starts from this point, okay, and ends here. So this is your table, the outer cover. Inside this, you have one row, and inside the row, you have the tab, like you have another tag, that's T data. So you will have T data, TD, TD, like this is your first T data inside the row, and this is your second T data inside the row. So this is your first T data, and this is your second T data. Now going on like this, you can make the table. I will write here, you can understand it in a better way. What you will write table, okay. Oh, sorry. Now inside the table, you will write TR. TR is your one row. Inside the one row, I will make two columns, okay. Make sure. So TD, data one, you will write here, and again TD, data 2, you will write here. This is data. Okay. Now what I want as a data, I want image as a data. So I will write image tag as a data. Image tag, we always write like this. Image source means you will give the link of your image. Alternate means you can give the alternate to your image, and simple, like image tag has only starting tag, there's no ending tag for the image tag. Now for searching the image, what I am going to do is I can take any random image from the assets. I can go to assets, I can go to photos, I can take this photo, I'll just click on it, so it show me that copied, and I will simply go to the source file and paste it. Okay, so you will have your image, and here I will write image. Simply, I'm writing image because I'm not sure about what kind of image I'm taking. Okay, Acha, I'm not using image because I think it's symbol. I will use picture. Okay, the alternative name I'm using as picture. And now after this, you need to give the width and the height of your image, because see, if you're not giving width and height, then it's very big in size. Like if I can see over here, it's very, very, very big in size. I cannot even see onto the screen. So I need to set the width and height. So I will write width and is equals to double quotation you will write, and I'm writing width as 100, and height is equals to double quotation sign you will write, and the height I'm writing as 100. Okay, so if I write width and height 100, it should come like this, see, like this. And one more thing that I need to do is I need to align my table as center, so I will give align equals to center. That's it. So the table should align to the center. So my picture will come here. It see like it's very small. So I can give it 400 and 400. I think this is good. Yeah, this is good for me. 400 is also very big. So make it 200. Let me remove all this annotation from the screen so that it's clear for you. So I can give 300 and 300. Okay. Oh my God. 300, and this will also be 300. This is fine now, I guess. Yeah, this is fine. 250, 250 will be fine, I think. So I will write 250. And like you can arrange your picture according to your ratios. Okay, so this is my TD picture. I will go to assets again, and I will take this. I'll copy this picture, and I will come here. I write image tag image, and then I wrote the tab, and I will paste this. So here the same thing I'm going to do. Here I can write picture 2, and here I will give the width and the height. So I will write width is equals to it's 250, and height is equals to 250. That's cool. Yes, that's cool. See, these two pictures are here. Now this is my T row. Now I can make another T row. Inside T row, I will make T data. One time, then image tag, and again I will make the same T data, image tag. That's it. I'll go to assets. I will take same size images. I will take this. I'll paste here. I can write picture 3. I will write width equals to 250. Height equals to 250. This is done. Then again, I'll go to assets, and I will take another tag, this one, close it. I'll come over here, paste it here. Picture 4, width 250, height 250. That's awesome. Okay, let's reload it because it's too fast. And here I can see my section is ready for the website. So I put the picture, I even put the arrangement. You can even add more data here, and you can arrange the pictures like this. As you can see, my header position is absolutely fixed. This is my heading and everything. Now the next part that I'm going to make is the footer section. So let me show you the code part properly. Okay, you can see the code part properly if you missed any part above. After footer section, like after table, you will make the footer section, and nothing to worry about. You simply come here, you will write footer tag, and like this. And here, if I do this, simply I will write the paragraph. Okay, and inside the paragraph, I'll align this paragraph to the center. And here in this, you will write website, GoGlobalways, PVT, LTT. Okay, and if you check here, let's load this website. You will find this to the center, but what I need is I need to give CSS to my footer. What I will do is I will simply call my footer as footer. Then I will do the curly brackets, and I'll place all the things exactly like this way. I'll paste it, but instead of top, I'll make it bottom. That's it. Nothing to worry about. See, this is my website. This is my footer part, and even you can not make it fixed. You can remove it as fixed position. Okay, so when you scroll it down, you can see your footer down. Because it's fixed, then the section is hidden, right? Let me show you. So this is your final review of the very basic website that you have created over here. And if you come over here, so this is your heading, then this is your home, about, gallery, contact. So basically we call this as nav bars. Okay, so for understanding the very basic concept of the website, this is your header section you made for the website. Then this is your section, and you made the footer section. In section, you can create lots of sections. Okay, we created only one section. You can create according to your choice as much as you can. So here is my website footer. So your website design is complete, everyone, and I hope you all like this because it's very simple, and your most of the concepts, I'm pretty sure, is clear now. You can review the code here. Let me explain you once again. First part, you took the header. This is the complete header. Okay, home, about, gallery, contact, and your website name. Then you use the break command to make the spaces between the header and the section. This is your section 1. Okay, and actually your section will end here. After the table, your section will end. Okay, so you will end up your section here. And that's why you don't need the break command. Let me upload the website. Yeah. Okay, so the section will end up here after the table, and then this is your footer part. Then your body section, your body tag is closed and your HTML file is closed. So this is your complete HTML one. And here you have the CSS part. We did the CSS for the header, width, height, background color, text alignment, position, top. And for the footer, it's absolutely same. It's just instead of top, we'll give bottom. And also I removed the absolute position, fixed position actually. And here I'm giving the color. So everyone, I think you like this tutorial, and whatever your choice is, whatever you wish to see in future, you can definitely tell us your query in the comment box. We will make the videos for you. We want that you will learn more, and the more interesting topics you'll share with us. And whatever your queries are, you can definitely share in the chat box. So please do share whatever your queries, whatever the projects you want to work on, whatever the things you want to learn upon. So we will be really feeling great to be helpful of somebody. And you can definitely find our tutorials on our channel. So everyone, bye-bye.